Are you too scared to do intermittent fasting? Okay. Well, that's what someone told me this weekend, and I want to explain what I told her. Okay. So she was trying to get on the program. She could do the ketogenic diet, but she had a problem with fasting because she was really, really nervous that it was going to be too painful. She didn't want to starve. Okay. I don't know why she didn't want to starve. She was fearful of extreme hunger and muscle loss because she has to eat so frequently that when she doesn't eat, she just freaks out. It's like a stressful situation where your body goes into this flight or fight mode. And the interesting thing is that every time she eats, she's never satisfied. She constantly has to eat food. She can't lose weight, and she can't sleep as well. There is a way to do it that is not uncomfortable. Because here's the thing, the benefits are huge that go way beyond just weight loss, cognitive improvements with your focus and memory and mood elevation, but your inflammation drops. Your brain actually can grow new cells. So here's what I told her, okay? You start with 3 meals, no snacks. The key is adding more fat to the meal. Fat is very satisfying. It'll allow you to go longer without eating, okay? Now, her thought was, well, my gosh, if I eat all this fat, how am I going to lose weight? I said, here's the thing. Your first goal should not be weight loss, okay? It should be hunger loss. So the first goal of intermittent fasting should be to get rid of your hunger so you actually can do intermittent fasting. You're never going to be able to do that with hunger, okay, and cravings. It's going to be impossible. So you have to add fat and you have to drop carbs. And then what will happen, you're not going to be hungry as much. And that's going to allow you to go longer and longer to the point where you can drop out your breakfast. And now you're at 2 meals and you start pushing these together closer and closer. And as you keto adapt, if you want to cut down the fats, you can do that, but not initially. So the fat really is the key to allow intermittent fasting to actually work and get your body into ketosis so you're not running on glucose anymore, because that's all about craving and being hungry. Because, I mean, look at this. You only have 1,700 calories of stored sugar, okay? That's like maybe 6 to 8 hours. But you have about over 100,000 calories of stored fat. You have an unlimited capacity to store fat. Our bodies were designed to use fat fuel, but not at the frequency that people are eating. Realize you're going for no hunger, no craving. And if you keep your carbs low, this should happen pretty quick. And you start to drop off these meals, push it to 2 meals. If you want to go to 1 meal, that's great, but get comfortable with this first. All right, thanks for watching. So if you want to get notified with all my content, click the notification bell next to subscribed.